And here's another lure, which is pretty interesting, like slow sinking lure, 10 grams. Let's unpack it and have a look. Okay, so as you can see, it basically in the middle it has like a small propeller, and well, the tail moves here. So let's just put it on the hook and have a look how it will work in water. Yeah, it's like a slow sinking lure, and as you can see, it moves like a normal fish, and it also sinks. To me, well, the movement actually reminds me of a real fish, as you can see. So this one's pretty interesting. Oh, I've got a bite. I've got a bite. And I have a fish. And as you can see, it is a small pike. But I've caught it on the back. I wasn't actually planning to catch one. I just wanted to show you how it works. And now, well, you can actually see that, well, the pike is actually attracted to the lure, and yeah, I'll just release it because it's like a pretty small one. So yeah, nice one. Okay guys, so you know, as you can see, this lure actually works pretty well. The pike is attracted to it and I was able to catch it. Well, pretty nice. If you like the video, don't forget to put a thumbs up, and you can also subscribe to the channel if you'd like to support it and become a part of our community. If you'd like to check the price, I'll put the link in the description for you to have a look. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.